AI image models can invent a protagonist in seconds. The difficulty is getting them to invent that exact same character twice. These models operate in what is called latent space, a probabilistic environment where the machine is effectively guessing the details of every image. This architecture guarantees that every render will be a slightly different version of your hero. That continuity drift compounds. When a production requires hundreds of cohesive frames, a minor inconsistency in frame 10 becomes a total breakdown of character identity by the end of the scene. Attempting to solve this through prompt engineering alone leaves the operator in a reactive loop, constantly struggling to correct the machine's random choices. Module 01 shifts the starting point. It replaces visual guesswork with a locked, one-line text concept that serves as the foundation for everything that follows. High-speed generation is only useful if the output is usable. True production efficiency is achieved by eliminating visual chaos before the first frame is ever rendered. The process begins by feeding that one-line concept into an LLM, which expands it into a structured cast, mapping out every character, prop, and environment. This creates a dual-sheet profile. By forcing a text-first canonical sheet, we establish the rules of a character's identity before the image generation even begins. This structure allows an operator to instantly re-roll a drifted visual asset. Because the underlying rules are fixed, the image changes, but the character remains the same. This eliminates the need to rewrite entire prompts from scratch every time a render misses the mark. By prioritizing text as the source of truth, the canonical sheet defines the specific parameters the AI is required to follow. With the cast identity locked in Module 01, the system moves to Module 02 for script development. This locked data is then deployed across 5 distinct formats: series, movie, musical, documentary, and ad. In traditional narrative structures, like episodic series or feature films, the system ensures the character data remains identical across every script page and every frame. For alternative formats, the system adapts the pacing and structural rules of the medium, while the underlying character identity remains constant. Reliable format scaling is the result of using a rigidly controlled, back-end agnostic input to drive the entire process. Once the multi-format scripts are finalized, they move into the animation rendering pipeline. We treat the canonical cast as a contract. Every subsequent module in the pipeline must verify against the original manifest before it is permitted to render a frame. This contractual framework keeps the production back-end agnostic. As AI models evolve, the core logic of the production stays secure. This provides the speed of generative AI without the loss of authorial control required for professional-grade animation. Reliable scaling across multiple formats depends on a pipeline that contractually binds generative chaos into a predictable engine. Animation production, finally at the speed of generation. Nmediaservices.com